This is the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. Psalm 118 verse 23, my favorite verse. Hi guys, it's your girl Eveee. Welcome to Tasty and Fresh Kitchen, where we always prepare tasty meals with fresh ingredients. I made this spaghetti jollof rice and it was so good, guys. Let me show you how I made it, okay? In my saucepan, I'll saute my sausages and my spaghetti or macaroni, okay? And please note, I'll be listing all the ingredients in the description box, so you check it out, okay? So here we fry our spaghetti for it to caramelize just like this. Then we set it aside. Then in the same oil, I'll add my blended garlic, ginger, onion. Guys, as you know, Tasty and Fresh makes the simplest and quickest jollof rice recipe, yet it's irresistibly delicious. So over here I added my powdered pepper and then my tomato puree. Yes, so we're gonna cook this for a while, then I will be adding my seasonings, okay? So I want to use this opportunity to thank all of you guys for how far we have come. Is the doing of the Lord, and it is so marvelous in my eyes. I want to thank my returning viewers, my new viewers. Guys, if you are new to my channel, just click on the notification button, okay, so that anytime I post a new video you will be notified, okay, and be the first to watch. So now our stew is cooked, so we add our rice and our spaghetti. Yes, and then we're gonna stir it for it to be well incorporated. Add some water to it and allow it to cook on a low to medium heat. Like I always say, jollof doesn't need too much fire to cook. Just lower your heat, cover it, and you will derive that smooth, silky, singled out jollof rice recipe. So we add some little salt to taste, and then we cover it. Yes, let me ask you, family, why haven't you subscribed to Tasty and Fresh? Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done so, okay, so we grow together. Now just look at our jollof. Wouldn't you like to try this, guys? Try the spaghetti jollof and then you will thank me later. So for more garnishing, sweetness and aroma and flavor, I added some chopped onions, my carrots and peas, and my sausages. And then to take this jollof rice to another level, I added some butter to it. And guys, you need to try this. It was so delicious. Everybody was asking for more. Guys, please add this to your jollof rice recipe and you will be glad you did, okay? Wash jollof na aye akono say, coming from the jollof queen, Tasty and Fresh. Yes, if you like this video, just give your girl some thumbs up, like, comments, and please subscribe so we grow together. Thank you guys, and see ya. Bye bye.